大家好. Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And today we're going to learn the sentence classification of the Chinese language. How many types of sentences are there in the Chinese language? Actually, there are two types of classification, right? The first way to classify Chinese sentences is by function, right? So you can classify them based on their mood, right? Like stating declarative sentences, like they're stating a fact, or question sentences, they ask questions, also called interrogative sentences. And the third type is called ordering, meaning imperative sentences. And the fourth type is exclaiming. So by function, there are four types of sentences. And by structure, there are also several types of sentences, depending on how many clauses they have. So the same with English, you may have simple sentences, compound sentences, or complex sentences. But today we're going to look at the first classification by function. We're going to learn the four types of sentences. So the first one, declarative sentences. 陈述句. Yeah, basically they are stating a fact or an opinion. And yeah, this is the same with English, right? Somebody does something or somebody is something. I am Chinese. 我是中国人. For the statement, intonation is usually level or falling, right? 我是中国人. All right. And for punctuation, the sentence usually ends with the period. Okay. It will rain tomorrow. 明天会下雨. Like, we put the time before verb, right? Tomorrow it will rain. This is a statement. Now the second type of questions is interrogative sentences. 疑问句. They ask questions. And for this type, there are actually subtypes, right? Sub-branches. 4 ways to ask questions, right? In English, you may add a question mark, right? But in Chinese, there are several ways. Specifically, there are 4 ways. Yes/no questions, 是非问. How do we ask in this way? Simply, you just add a ma at the end of a statement, at the end of a declarative sentence we just learned. 你是学, like, are you a student? You have to know the statement first. You are a student. 你是学生. Right? This is the declarative sentence. And then you add a ma and a question mark. You successfully turn this statement into a question. 你是学生吗? From you are a student to are you a student? Okay. And for questions, usually it's rising tone, right? Rising intonation. Is he coming tomorrow? If you want to ask this question, add a ma after the statement. 他明天来. Okay, he will come tomorrow. Add a ma and a question mark. Will he come tomorrow? All right, so this is the first type of question in the interrogative sentences. Now the second type of interrogative sentence, WH questions, 特指问. Meaning you ask for specific information, like then you use the question words, right? 什么, what, 谁, who, 哪儿, where, 什么, 时候, when, 怎么, means how, 为什么 why. All right. And where do we put these question words? They goes where the answer would go. Okay. Let's take a look at some examples. Who is he? Right. We know the statement is he is, for example, he is Jack. Right? 他是杰克，他是 Jack. Then we put the question word at exactly the answer's location. Right? 他是谁? Then we successfully ask the question, who is he? Right? From he is Jack to who is he? Okay, when are you going? 你什么时候去? All right. So again, 什么时候 is a when. The statement with the answer is like 你上午去. Okay. Like you go in the morning, and then we replace the answer with the question word when. Right? Meaning the question word always goes where the answer goes. Okay. If you want to turn a statement into a question. How do I get there? 怎么走? Yeah, like how go. Actually, you in a statement you may say 坐车走, right? Like drive there. Okay. Drive to go there. Now, the third type of interrogative question is alternative questions. So you let people make a choice, right? Choose A or B. 选择问. Okay. Then we use the word 还是. 还是, it means or. Especially if you go to a cafe with your friend, right? Maybe you want to buy him or her a drink. Then you ask your friend, do you drink tea or coffee? This is a very commonly used phrase. 你喝茶还是喝咖啡? So the statement or declarative sentence will be 你喝茶 or 你喝咖啡. Then we put this 还是 or between the two choices. Then you successfully ask a question, right? With a question mark at the end. Like you drink tea or drink coffee. Are you going or not? 你去还是不去? Again, you go, 你去不去 not go. And then we put this 还是 or between go and not go. Then we ask people to make a choice. 你去还是不去? You go or not go. So this is the third type of interrogative question. And the fourth type of interrogative question is affirmative negative questions. 正反问. Okay, so the pattern is like A, not A. Are you a teacher or not? 你是不是老师? So here we don't use or like the last type, right? We don't use 还是. We just use the like is, isn't, put them all together, right? Like you 是 are, 不是 are not. So you are not teacher, right? 你是不是老师? So this is a positive and this is a negative. 是 is positive, 不是 negative. Okay. Is he happy? 他高不高兴? So here 高 is the abbreviation for 高兴, right? So he happy, not happy. You just add a question mark, then you turn this into affirmative negative questions. So basically you ask people something yes or no, right? Happy or not happy? Do you have a pen or not? 你有没有笔? You 有 have 没有 not have or don't have, okay? 笔 so have don't have, put them together and then add a question mark at the end. You successfully turn this into a question, right? To make people choose. Now, the first major type, we just finished learning the second type interrogative questions, which have 4 subtypes, right? But for the third major type of sentences, classified by function, is imperative sentences. We use them to give commands, requests, or suggestions, right? Similar with the English, let's say please come in, 请进, 请 please, 进 enter, come in, right? Here we omit the subject, so actually it should be like you please come in, right? But we omit that in Chinese. The same. Don't talk, 别说话, 别 is don't, 说话 talk, so don't talk. We omit the subject like you don't talk, right? Okay, let's go. 我们走吧. So 我们 here we have a subject, right? We 走 go. We go. But what? Yeah, this is an imperative sentence, and also we add a ba to soften the tone to make it into a suggestion, right? So more polite. All right, now the fourth type of sentences, exclamatory sentences, 感叹句 to show your excitement, right, or surprise. Anyway, just the strong emotions. How beautiful, 真漂亮. So here we use the adverbs like 真, like really. Whenever you see something beautiful, right, you can say this, 真漂亮. So they don't follow the structure like subject, verb, or adjective, right, or object. Here they just they're used as exclamation. Okay, that's fantastic. 太棒了. So 太 adverb like to something. To plus adjective plus 了. 棒 means great. So too great, right? Or so great. You can replace this 棒 with many other adjectives. 太 whatever 了 to show that something is so, right? Yeah, like say 太漂亮了. 漂亮 is adjective, right? So beautiful. 太漂亮了. What a blue sky! Exclamation sentence, right? 多么蓝的天啊. So 多么 is like how blue the sky is, right? 多么蓝的 blue 天 and is the word added at the end to show your excitement or surprise. Okay, guys, now let's recap. The 4 major sentences in the Chinese language are the first, declarative sentences stating facts, and the second type, interrogative sentences, which has 4 mini types, right? Like yes no questions, WH questions, alternative questions like A or B. And the fourth is yes or is not is, right? Or is not. Affirmative, negative questions. Now the third major type is in imperative sentences, when you ask people to do something. The fourth type, exclamatory sentences, all right, to show your excitement or strong emotions. Pretty good. Enjoy learning. 再见.